How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to my personal channel. My name is Mike. Here I get to talk about whatever I want. Today's video, we're going to talk about Robinhood. If you are either an active trader or you're just interested in the stock market, chances are you know about Robinhood, and it's made the news lately for not so good things, more shady things than good. But I thought I should make a review on this app since I'm an active user of Robinhood. So consider this video one of the most transparent video of Robinhood that you'll find on the internet, period. As I said, I do actively use Robinhood to buy stocks for the most part, and so far it's been good. Ease of use has been great, and I get to play around with it, which I think is one of the benefits of using Robinhood. To not be completely biased, I'm going to say the good things about Robinhood and some of the things that you seriously need to watch out for if you decide to open an account with Robinhood. One of the greatest benefits of the Robinhood app is that it's very easy to use, and by easy I mean this is the absolute beginner's app. I consider myself a beginner. I'm not an active day trader. I'm not a professional in the stock market. Someone like me, I have a little change left over and I can easily just go in my Robinhood app, transfer some money over and start buying. That's how easy to use. You basically log in. Obviously, when you sign up for an account, you go through a verification process, and then once that part is done, you can actively start moving money to your account and then buying stocks. And that's how I use it. I just go to search, I look for the company where I want to buy their stocks, and I hit buy, and that's it. So the ease of use is perfect. The second good thing that's going for Robinhood is the fact that they don't have any fees. At least that's what they want you to believe. For the most part, if you're buying, just on average, you wouldn't get charged any fees to buy stocks or to sell. Now, given that I actually don't sell any of my stocks, my strategy with investing in the stock market is just to buy and hold. So I usually just buy things and then I hold it for however long. In my case, maybe 5 to 10 years, maybe 20 years. That's my strategy. But if you're buying and trading, or you're buying heavy or a lot of volume, there might be some fees there. But in my experience, I've had absolutely no fees when it comes to traditional stocks. Now, if you were buying crypto, that's a different case, but keep watching. So these are the best parts of using Robinhood, and that's why it really caters to the average person that may not be as educated about stocks or trading in the markets. And for me, like I said, it's worked out great in that way. Now, there are some things that I would consider and highly encourage you to take a step back before you jump into Robinhood. Here are the things that you want to look out for if you're trading on Robinhood. As I said earlier, Robinhood has been in the news for some shady things, and I think a lot of this extends from the fact that Robinhood is also an active player in the market, if that makes sense. So there's some conflict of interest there. So you have this trading platform who also is an investor in the market. And so when you think about that, Robinhood will always look after their own interests first before the customer. So that's one thing you should definitely look out for. And that brings me to number 2. Robinhood has the power to simply halt the market, meaning they can shut down trading for however long that they want. Look at what happened with GameStop. When all the frenzy was happening with GameStop, Robinhood just said, hey, listen, we're going to stop this thing. We're basically going to shut down people's freedom to trade however they want, and they're able to do that at any point. For example, if you're a day trader or just any average trader and you see something coming and you're about to get a hit on a nice trade, but guess what? Before you hit, Robinhood says, hey, listen, we're going to shut down for the next 24 hours, and you can totally miss that train and lose some money. Nice. So you are vulnerable to the fact that that platform can say, hey, we're going to halt trading for, I don't know, however long we want. Now, the most serious drawback when it comes to Robinhood is if you're using it to trade cryptocurrency. As you know, I am a big advocate to investing in crypto, and I do actually have some crypto through my Robinhood account. But here's what I want you to know if you decide to use Robinhood to buy your crypto. As I said, they make it very easy for you to be able to use the platform, which is why a lot of people just use it. Now, if you decide to buy some crypto through Robinhood, you should know that you can never withdraw that crypto. Here's what I mean by that. If you use any other crypto trading platform, say like Coinbase or Binance, if you bought, say, a bunch of Litecoin or Bitcoin, you can always withdraw those funds or those coins and put it either on a cold wallet, or you can transfer it to another wallet, either on your mobile phone, laptop, whatever the case may be. So you have the freedom to do that. But with Robinhood, you cannot do that. So you're basically forced to leave your coins in the hands of Robinhood. It stays in the market, and there's security liabilities to that. Also, you're just basically vulnerable to whatever Robinhood decides to do. If they decide to charge you a high tax or high fees to trade those Bitcoins or to trade those Litecoins, then that's what you have to do. So understanding that you cannot move your crypto from one place to another, that is one drawback. The second drawback is taxes. Now, if you are trading in the United States, Robinhood is a platform just like any other trading platform that's been regulated. And there's something called capital gains tax. So any interest that you earn on your stocks or on the growth of your stocks, you're going to be charged for taxes on that interest. Now, it does depend on how long you hold on to the stock. But let's paint an example. In my recent video, I mentioned that I invested X amount of dollars in Dogecoin. Now, I bought some of that Dogecoin through Robinhood. So let's say in 5 years, if I invested $1,000 today and say Dogecoin moved up to $1, which is 20 times more. So what that means is I now have $20,000 in Dogecoin 5 years from now. What that means is $19,000 will be taxed if I used Robinhood, which is the case right now. So with my portfolio sitting in Robinhood, 5 years from now, if that coin actually grew to $20,000, it means that I'm going to be charged capital gains tax on that growth. Not just that, whenever I'm ready to either trade or sell that coin or bunch of coins, Robinhood is also going to charge me a fee, which basically leads me to my last part, is the fact that when you trade crypto through Robinhood, you will pay fees to trade. Right now, the fees are fairly competitive, so they're not charging your arm and a leg to trade, to buy or sell crypto. But like I said, they can decide in the future that they want to charge 10% if they want to. So you're also vulnerable to that. So I'm pre-warning you that if you do decide to use Robinhood to trade cryptocurrency, these are the things you should definitely consider before moving forward. Again, they make it easy for you to do so, but you're kind of stuck with them. You'll have some security liability issues to worry about, and you're also vulnerable to Robinhood and whatever fees they decide to charge you whenever you decide to trade those crypto, and also you're vulnerable to capital gain taxes. Okay, so these are things that you should definitely consider before moving forward. I hope this video helped somebody. I really want to end this video by saying that you should absolutely start investing in the markets, whether it's stocks, mutual funds, EFTs, but more especially cryptocurrency. I am a big advocate for it. I think that a lot of people will have their own criticism about crypto, but I don't think it's going anywhere. And I do think that if you invest today, you will see the growth 5, 10, 20 years from now. So it's a long-term play. So if you haven't started, I would get myself educated about crypto and start investing in cryptocurrencies. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did, and also please share it with somebody that can actually use it and can benefit them. If this is your first time, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Again, my name is Mike. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and I will catch you on the next video. Peace.